How to make a YouTube short. If you're trying to add in short form video content on your YouTube channel and you don't know how to yet, this is the right video for you. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video. The way that you can upload your YouTube shorts is fairly easy and can be easily done and can be done through the YouTube app. So open up the app of YouTube on your phone. Once you're inside of the YouTube app, make sure that the correct channel is selected. And then you can tap on the plus icon on the bottom. Now, once you're inside of this section, the first thing that you need to make sure is that you're inside of the short form video content section, which says shorts right here. Now, once you've done that, there are two things that you can do. Either you have already a video that you can straight away upload. You can just tap on the add option on the left hand side. Or if you don't and you're trying to record a new video, you can also easily do that by tapping on the red button on the middle. If you keep pressing on the red button, the recording will start, and if you pause the video or remove your finger from the red button, the recording will stop. Now if you're trying to resume the video from here, you can again press the red button and you'll continue from where you left off. Other than that, you can see a few options on the right hand side, such as flipping the camera or adding in a timer or filters to your video. What you can also do is add in a green screen. If you're trying to add in something to your background, you can tap on this green screen option and a green screen will be automatically applied to the video. If you don't like that, you can also remove it like so. Once you're done and everything is set, you can just tap on the tick mark on the right hand side. Now if you like how the video looks, you can continue by tapping on next. The last thing you'll need to do is add in a caption and upload a thumbnail as well by tapping on the pencil icon on the top left. Once everything is set, just tap on upload short. And there you go, you've just uploaded a YouTube short. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.